Take a ride.
Welcome back to another one, Spring Valley Outdoors. Thanks for watching. This was one of the first snow days that we got actual snow up here on the East Coast. We went to Blue Mountain. It was a blast. My dad, my wife, and my kid were here. So give a lot of thanks to my wife for driving up because it was a little bit treacherous. But with the Subaru, we had no problems.
Oh,
A lot of other folks were, mostly took Toyotas, and it was a good time. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, hit the bell. New videos every week. We got a truck, but we're gonna stop in the middle of the road here. Oh, just on 30, you know, stop in the only clear lane. Got it. They ain't gonna be happy with you, son. Toyota, the worst car to buy if you want to drive in the snow. Like the third 18-wheeler on 10. He's putting his chains on. Damn, he might get out now. Yeah, we had a great time. This is off the main trail. The diamond here. The edge was all blown up with some good powder. So you just had to find the powder. It wasn't bad at all. It was actually great. But some people just don't like riding on this edge.
I don't recommend it, but I still will do it. Oh, this is rocks. Oh, fucking rocks. Fucking rocks, mate. What? I don't think I can. I don't care that much about it.
Trees were pretty awful and very light cover, but if you're careful and you don't turn a lot, you can go straight through them. Hit a few rocks, but it is what it is. We really find some stuff.
Turning crusty. Be a little more absorption. Excuse me.
What the glade? A little like a little jump.